What's happening, people? Welcome back to Rob's Garage. Hey, today we got these new quick latches. Well, almost quick latches. They're Amazon. Came from China. $8.99 per. So we're gonna throw those on the Mustang. I don't know if I ever showed you these. These are basically what AutoZone had. Not my favorite. I hate those. That's ricer as ricer could be. So I'm gonna stick these on, and let's plastic dip the hood black. I'm not gonna be able to get it painted anytime soon, so I'd rather the car be all black primer with the plastic dip hood than to be riding around with this red hood. I think it's hideous, but stay tuned. We'll get it on. Alright guys, so just a quick overview. These want to be quick latches. Now if you know quick latches, there's like $130 a set for your hoods. I don't really know if these are made for hood. They said hood. They didn't really tell the sizes whenever I bought it. As you see, that stud is super small, but the latch is about 1.5 inches. Real small, so my finger compared to it. But I've already been messing with them for a few days, and we're gonna see if they hold up to a hood to give you an idea of size. Yeah, so after you watch this video, if it's something you want to do, I will post a link down in the description. Which is something you want to do. But yeah, let's cut those off and get to it. Alright, so now we got those ricer looking things off. All I did, take the ring off, set it on there. Made lines, don't judge me on my old cuts, but because they come in handy right now. It's almost perfect. Basically what I'm gonna do is take the Dremel, go inside of there, clean it up, make sure it slides in. This side's a little bit worse, but it still covers. So I put it all the way on one side and make sure it covers. So we'll get that drilled out, then open it up, cut the bottom out enough to put that ring in, and then we should be good to go. Alright guys, so I got all the hose notched out perfectly so where the pins fit directly in them, and I got the first layer of plastic dip on. I said I just want to get it black with the black primer that the car is, so I quit riding around looking stupid. So we'll go ahead and throw another 3 or 4 coats on this, see what she looks like. Alright, so the 4th and final coat is on. I'm pretty sure it's going to be tiger striped, but I only had 2 cans and I'm out, so I can't give it that real thick coat that it needs to not be tiger striped, but it's still wet. We'll let it dry for about 20 minutes and then see what it looks like. Even if it is tiger striped, oh well. I'll go buy another can tomorrow and then we'll hit it. But so it's just gotta last a day. But once it's dry, we'll go ahead and put our new hood pins in, and hopefully they hold the hood down. If not, then that was a lot of wasted effort. But let's see. Alright guys, so the quick latches are on. Now they look really small. That's still a rivet. Yeah, we're gonna just ignore that. Ignore the tiger stripe material. It's starting to go away. I'm gonna have to get another can and give it a wet coat, but excuse me. But I was really worried that these things weren't holding. I mean, I'm pulling up on that pretty hard and it's not working. It's not going up. So I'm gonna call that a success. I really like these things. They're super small. They're not these gigantic ricer things. So remember, I'll link these down in the description and you can pick up your own. So you just press it, and there she comes. Now, yes, that is a spark plug gap tool, you know, for your days at the track that you need to gap your plugs really quick. The only thing I'm probably going to forget is when you put it down, press it down until it clicks. So I might forget that one day. Hood comes up, takes out the car. But anyway, that's gonna do it for us here. Sorry y'all, I'm like really sick, so I haven't been uploading. Been working a lot too, but these things are awesome. Highly recommended so far until the hood blows up and smashes the windshield. But like I said, I'm like yanking on that and it's not going anywhere. So appreciate you guys watching. Remember, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.